Did you know that millions of seniors in Canada are missing out on government benefits and protections they're legally entitled to? In fact, over 60% of seniors don't even realize they qualify for some of the most important laws designed to make their lives easier and safer. Whether it's extra cash in your pocket, legal protections, or health benefits, there's a good chance that you could be getting more out of your senior years if you just knew where to look. But here's the catch. These laws can be tricky to navigate, and if you're not aware of them, you could be leaving money, safety, and peace of mind on the table. Stick around because today we're uncovering the top 10 laws that every senior in Canada must know in 2025. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Your future self will thank you. Number 10. Will and estate planning laws for seniors when it comes to planning your legacy. There's no time like the present. Have you ever thought about what will happen to your estate after you're gone? If not, you're not alone. Many seniors put off estate planning, assuming it's something they can tackle later. But here's the truth. Not having a will or proper estate plan can create chaos for your loved ones. And it may even mean that your wishes aren't followed. In Canada, the laws surrounding wills and estate planning are designed to protect both you and your family. A will is your legally binding document that ensures your property, assets, and savings go to the people you want them to go to without unnecessary legal hurdles. Without one, the government steps in to decide how your estate will be divided. And the results may not be what you expected. But it's not just about dividing assets. Estate planning also includes appointing someone to make medical decisions for you if you're unable to. You can designate a power of attorney for both personal and financial matters, ensuring someone you trust is in charge if the unexpected happens. Plus, there are strategies for reducing taxes on your estate, which could help preserve more of your wealth for your beneficiaries. So, what's the takeaway? It's critical to start estate planning as soon as possible, no matter your age. Man, if you're unsure where to begin, consult with a legal advisor who specializes in estate planning. They can help you navigate the process, ensuring your wishes are clearly documented and legally protected. What about you? Do you already have an estate plan in place? Or is it something you've been meaning to get to? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more senior tips you don't want to miss. Number 9. Senior abuse protection laws. No one should ever feel unsafe, especially in their later years. Yet senior abuse is a harsh reality for many. Whether it's financial, physical, or emotional abuse, seniors are often vulnerable targets. Thankfully, Canada has strict laws in place to protect seniors from abuse, ensuring they can live with dignity and security. First and foremost, Canadian law requires that any suspected cases of senior abuse be reported. Healthcare professionals, caregivers, and even neighbors are legally obligated to report signs of abuse. This mandatory reporting system ensures that potential cases of abuse are addressed quickly before they escalate. In some provinces, this includes both physical and emotional abuse. Recognizing that harm isn't always visible. On top of that, seniors have access to legal resources specifically designed for their protection. These include services that allow seniors to report abuse confidentially, whether they're experiencing it at home, in a long-term care facility, or elsewhere. Many provinces have dedicated hotlines and agencies that provide immediate assistance, investigation, and intervention. For seniors in care facilities, the law mandates that they be treated with respect and dignity. Facilities are required to have policies and procedures in place to prevent abuse, and staff undergo regular training to recognize and report any signs of mistreatment. If abuse is suspected, the facility can be investigated, and the responsible party may face serious legal consequences. In addition, financial abuse, ASCRs are misused or stolen, has also become a major focus of Canadian law. Elder financial abuse laws ensure that any unfair manipulation of a senior's financial affairs is swiftly dealt with. Protecting their hard-earned savings from exploitation, understanding your rights and the resources available is crucial for Safeguarding your well-being. If you or someone you know feels threatened or unsafe, don't hesitate to seek help. There are systems in place to protect you. Number 8. Senior retirement savings and pension protection as you approach retirement. One of your top priorities is ensuring that your savings and pension are secure, providing you with the financial peace of mind you deserve. Fortunately, Canada offers a variety of laws and programs designed to protect seniors' retirement savings and pensions, ensuring that they're safeguarded throughout your later years. One of the key pillars of Canada's retirement security system is the Canada Pension Plan CPP. This government-run program provides a steady income for those who have worked and contributed to the plan during their careers. The amount you receive is based on how much you contributed, and it's designed to replace a portion of your pre-retirement income. CPP benefits are paid for life and are adjusted each year to keep up with inflation, offering you a reliable income stream throughout retirement. In addition to the CPP, many seniors also rely on Old Age Security OAS. OAS is another government program available to seniors aged 65 and older, providing a monthly pension. The amount of OAS you receive is based on how long you've lived in Canada. After the age of 18, while OAS isn't based on your work history, it can provide a vital source of income, especially if you have limited retirement savings. For those with additional retirement savings, the Registered Retirement Savings Plan, or RSP, and Tax-Free Savings Account, TFSA, are both excellent tools. Our RSPs allow you to save money for retirement on a tax-deferred basis, meaning you don't pay taxes on the money you contribute until you withdraw it. TFSAs, on the other hand, allow you to save money tax-free, with no taxes on the interest, dividends, or capital gains earned. Moreover, pension protection laws are in place to ensure that any employer-sponsored pensions are properly managed. Employers are legally required to maintain and protect your pension funds, ensuring they're there when you need them. These protections are especially important in cases where a company goes bankrupt or experiences financial troubles. With a combination of government programs and personal savings options, Canada's pension and retirement laws provide seniors with the tools to build a secure financial future. Ensuring your retirement savings are in good hands is essential to enjoy your retirement years without financial worries. Number 7. Senior driver's license renewal and support driving is often seen as a key part of independence, especially as we age. For many seniors, holding onto their driver's license means the freedom to go wherever they want whenever they need. However, as we get older, our driving abilities can change, and it's important to be aware of the rules surrounding senior driver's license renewal and support in Canada. Each province and territory in Canada has its own rules regarding drivers license renewals for seniors, but there are some common threads across the country. Most provinces require seniors to renew their driver's license more frequently as they age. For example, in several regions, drivers over the age of 80 may need to renew their license every 2 years instead of the standard 5-year renewal period. This ensures that seniors are still fit to drive and that their abilities haven't changed in a way that could endanger their safety or the safety of others on the road, in addition to more frequent renewals. Seniors may be required to pass a medical exam, which typically includes a vision test and, in some cases, a general health assessment. This helps identify any health conditions that might impair their driving ability, such as vision problems, cognitive decline, or mobility issues. If a medical condition is flagged, seniors may be asked to provide additional information or undergo further testing before they can renew their license. For those who are concerned about their ability to drive safely, there are support systems available. Many provinces offer programs that provide seniors with resources and information about senior-friendly driving options. Some areas have specialized transportation services for seniors, such as door-to-door transit services or discounted fares. For public transportation, it's making it easier for seniors to get around without needing to drive. While it's important for seniors to stay on top of their license renewals, it's equally important to recognize when it's time to consider alternatives to driving, whether that means reducing the amount of time spent behind the wheel, using public transportation, or relying on family and friends for rides. Canada offers a range of options to support seniors in maintaining their independence, even if they no longer drive. Number 6. Seniors' legal aid and support as we age. There's a greater need to ensure our rights and legal interests are protected. Whether it's related to issues of elder abuse, financial matters, estate planning, or simply understanding your rights. Seniors in Canada have access to a range of legal aid and support services designed to make the legal system more accessible and less intimidating. One of the most important resources available to seniors is legal aid. Legal aid programs in Canada offer free or low-cost legal services to individuals who cannot afford to hire a private lawyer. For seniors, this can be a vital resource, particularly if they're facing financial difficulties or complicated legal issues, such as disputes over a will, power of attorney matters, or issues with long-term care facilities. Each province has its own legal aid program, and many have dedicated services specifically for seniors, ensuring that they can access legal help in a timely and affordable manner. In addition to legal aid, many provinces also have seniors' legal clinics that specialize in addressing the unique legal needs of older adults. These clinics offer consultations, assistance with document preparation, and guidance on a variety of matters, including housing disputes, pension rights, healthcare issues, and consumer protection. They can also provide support in navigating the complexities of the legal system, helping seniors understand their rights and the steps they need to take to protect them. Furthermore, seniors can also access support through advocacy organizations that focus on their rights. These organizations offer educational resources, help with legal paperwork, and even direct support when dealing with issues such as elder abuse, financial exploitation, or discrimination. Many of these organizations work in partnership with legal professionals, providing seniors with not only advice but also legal representation when necessary. For those looking to plan ahead, some legal services also specialize in elder law, helping seniors draft wills, create powers of attorney, and set up trusts to protect their assets and make their healthcare wishes known. These services are especially useful for ensuring that seniors' voices are heard and their wishes are respected, both during their lifetime and after they pass. Understanding and accessing legal aid and support can be empowering for seniors, allowing them to navigate life's challenges with greater confidence and security. With the right resources at their fingertips, seniors can protect their rights, safeguard their financial assets, and ensure they are treated with the respect and dignity they deserve. Number 5. Public transportation discounts for seniors. For many seniors, staying mobile and independent is a top priority. Public transportation is an affordable and accessible way to get around. And in Canada, seniors are often eligible for significant discounts on transit fares. These discounts can make a world of difference in maintaining your independence while managing the costs of daily life. Most Canadian cities offer reduced fares for seniors, typically starting around the age of 65. These discounts can apply to all forms of public transportation, including buses, subways, streetcars, and even ferries in some areas. The exact discount varies by province and municipality, but in many cases, seniors can enjoy fares that are as much as 50% off the regular price. This means you can get where you need to go without the financial strain of paying full fare for each trip, in addition to the regular senior fare. Some cities offer special senior passes that allow for unlimited rides within a certain time period. For instance, seniors can purchase monthly or annual passes that provide access to unlimited travel on public transportation. These passes often come at a deeply discounted rate compared to standard adult passes, which can save seniors hundreds of dollars a year. Beyond cost savings, many transit systems also offer services tailored to seniors, making travel easier and more comfortable. Some cities provide accessible transit services specifically for seniors or individuals with mobility issues. These services include door-to-door transportation and low-floor buses that are easier to board. Some systems also offer priority seating for seniors on buses and trains, ensuring they have a safe and comfortable place to sit during their journey. For seniors who have trouble navigating the transit system, there are often guides and support services available to help. Many transit authorities provide information on senior discounts, accessible routes, and how to apply for special passes. This can be incredibly helpful for those who may be new to using public transportation or are unsure. How to take full advantage of available discounts. By taking advantage of these public transportation discounts and services, seniors can save money while staying active and independent, whether it's for running errands, visiting family, or simply exploring the city. Public transit can offer a convenient, affordable, and senior-friendly solution. Number 4. Senior housing laws, rent and eviction protections. Finding stable and affordable housing is one of the most important aspects of retirement. For many seniors, their home is not just a place to live, but a space that offers security and comfort. In Canada, there are specific housing laws designed to protect seniors from unfair treatment in the rental market, including protections against unreasonable rent hikes and eviction. One of the key protections for seniors is the law around rental increases. In most provinces, landlords are required to follow strict guidelines when increasing rent, ensuring that increases are fair and transparent. These guidelines prevent landlords from making sudden, large jumps in rent that could make housing unaffordable for seniors on fixed incomes. In many cases, the amount by which rent can be increased is capped annually, providing seniors with predictability and stability in their housing costs. For those living in subsidized housing or housing designed specifically for seniors, rent may even be set on a sliding scale based on income, making it more affordable. When it comes to eviction, Canadian laws provide strong protections for seniors as well. In most provinces, a senior cannot be evicted without a legitimate reason, and landlords must follow a formal process before evicting tenants. This includes giving proper notice and, in some cases, demonstrating that the eviction is due to circumstances, like non-payment of rent or severe damage to the property. In some areas, seniors living in rental properties are granted additional time to make arrangements if an eviction is necessary. If a senior faces an eviction or feels that their rights as a tenant are being violated, they have access to legal recourse. There are tenant advocacy organizations and legal aid services that specialize in housing disputes and can help seniors navigate the legal process. These services can provide advice on challenging unfair evictions or unreasonable rent increases, and can even offer representation in court if necessary. Additionally, many provinces offer specialized senior housing options that provide lower-cost, safe living arrangements for older adults. These include affordable rental apartments, senior care facilities, and COPE housing, all of which come with additional tenant protections designed to make sure seniors are treated fairly and are not vulnerable to exploitation. By understanding these housing protections, seniors can feel more secure in their living situations, knowing that the laws are in place to prevent unfair practices and ensure a safe, stable home environment. Number 3. Seniors' healthcare benefits. Healthcare is one of the most critical concerns for seniors. And in Canada, there are specific healthcare benefits designed to ensure that older adults receive the care they need without facing overwhelming financial burdens. The Canadian healthcare system, known for its publicly funded structure, provides a variety of services that are either free or heavily subsidized for seniors, helping them maintain their health and well-being throughout their retirement years. The backbone of healthcare benefits for seniors in Canada is the provincial health insurance programs that cover the cost of basic medical services. Every province and territory offers coverage for essential services like doctor visits, hospital stays, and surgeries. Once you reach the age of 65, you are typically covered under your province's senior healthcare plan, which may include additional services beyond basic healthcare, such as free or discounted prescription medications, preventive health services, and screenings. For instance, many provinces offer pharmacare programs for seniors, which help reduce the cost of prescription drugs. Seniors in provinces like Ontario, British Columbia, and Quebec may pay only a portion of their medication costs, depending on their income level. In some provinces, this benefit is extended through income-based subsidies, ensuring that low-income seniors aren't burdened by the high cost of necessary medications. Beyond medication, certain healthcare services like dental care, vision care, and hearing aids may not be fully covered under basic provincial plans, but are often included in Supplemental plans are government programs for low-income seniors. Seniors may be able to access dental and vision care subsidies or get assistance with the costs of long-term care, including home care services and nursing home care, which are crucial for those who need extra help managing daily activities due to illness or disability. In addition to these provincial programs, seniors in Canada are also eligible for federal benefits like the Guaranteed Income Supplement GIs, which provides extra financial support for seniors with low income. The additional financial support can help seniors afford supplementary healthcare services not covered by provincial programs. By taking full advantage of these healthcare benefits, seniors can access the care they need without facing crippling, out-of-pocket expenses. Understanding the services available, from general healthcare coverage to more specialized programs, is key to ensuring that seniors remain healthy, active, and well cared for throughout their later years. Number 2. The Guaranteed Income Supplement GI is for many seniors. The transition to retirement can come with financial challenges. While some may have sufficient savings or pension plans, others may find it difficult to make ends meet on a fixed income. This is where the Guaranteed Income Supplement GIs comes in, one of the most valuable financial resources for low-income seniors in Canada. The GIS is a federal program designed to provide extra income to seniors who are living on a limited income. It is available to Canadian seniors who receive Old Age Security OAS, its benefits, and whose income is below a certain threshold. The amount a senior receives through GIS depends on their income level, with those earning less qualifying for higher amounts of financial support. What makes the GIS particularly beneficial is that it is automatically adjusted based on the income reported on a senior's annual tax return. So there's no need to reapply every year unless there is a significant change in your financial situation. The program is designed to ensure that low-income seniors do not fall below the poverty line and can maintain a decent standard of living, even if they lack a substantial pension or other income sources. To be eligible for GIS, seniors must be over the age of 65, a Canadian citizen or legal resident, and receiving OAS benefits. The amount of GIS that a senior can receive is based on their annual income and the number of years they have lived in Canada. For those living alone, the income threshold for eligibility is generally lower, and the payment amount is higher. Married or common-law seniors have slightly different eligibility criteria, with GIS benefits typically shared between spouses. The GIS is paid out monthly and can make a significant difference in a senior's financial well-being, helping to cover living expenses, healthcare, and other essentials. Seniors who qualify for GIS can also receive additional supplements, such as the allowance for the survivor, which provides extra help to surviving spouses or common-law partners of GIS recipients. By providing this targeted financial assistance, the GIS program ensures that seniors who may be struggling financially can maintain their independence and dignity in retirement. This benefit plays a critical role in improving the quality of life for many low-income seniors, offering them the financial support they need to cover essential costs without worrying about falling into poverty. Number 1. Seniors' tax benefits. Tax breaks for seniors as seniors enter retirement. One of the most welcome financial benefits they can access is the variety of tax breaks and credits designed specifically for older Canadians. These tax advantages can ease the financial strain of living on a fixed income, making it easier for seniors to retain more of their money to cover daily expenses, healthcare, and other essentials. One of the most significant tax breaks available to seniors is the CAT age amount. This non-refundable tax credit applies to seniors who are 65 or older and have an annual income below a certain threshold. The amount you can claim depends on your income. If your income is below the threshold, you can claim the full amount, which directly reduces the amount of tax you owe. For seniors with higher incomes, the age amount gradually reduces, but it still provides valuable savings for many. Another important tax benefit is the pension income amount, which allows seniors to reduce their taxable income by up to $2,000 if they receive income from pensions. This can include private pensions, annuities, and even income from the Canada Pension Plan CPP or Old Age Security OAS. This credit reduces the overall tax burden on pensioners, allowing them to keep more of their retirement income. Seniors also benefit from the medical expense tax credit, which allows individuals to claim a portion of medical expenses they have paid throughout the year. For seniors, this can include prescription medications, dental care, vision services, and even the cost of home care. Since healthcare costs often increase with age, this tax credit can provide significant savings. The medical expenses can be claimed for the individual and their spouse, and if the total expenses exceed a certain percentage of their income, they can be eligible for a larger tax credit. Additionally, seniors who are caregivers for their family members may qualify for the Canada Caregiver Credit, which provides tax relief to those who support a spouse or family member with a physical or mental impairment. This credit can be claimed for both adult children caring for aging parents and for seniors taking care of a spouse. These tax breaks are designed to ensure that seniors enjoy their retirement years with greater financial security. By taking full advantage of the available tax credits and benefits, seniors can reduce their tax burden and increase their disposable income, making it easier to manage their finances in their later years. It's essential for seniors to be aware of these credits and claim them every year to maximize the financial support available to them. Canada's laws and benefits are designed to help seniors live their retirement years with financial stability, safety, and security. From tax breaks and pension protections to healthcare and housing support, these programs are in place to ensure seniors can enjoy their golden years without unnecessary stress. Make sure to take full advantage of the laws and resources available to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who could benefit from this information. Have questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences.